Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Petroleum bulk distributor Regency Petroleum Company is looking to list on the junior market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. The company published its prospectus today. The initial public offering IPO to raise $287 million is to open on November 24. It's expected to close on December 8. Regency's shares will be sold for $1 each, with only 115 million shares to be open to the public. 172 million will be reserved for priority applications and subscription. Regency plans to use 160 million of the funds to clear existing debt. 75 million will go towards completing its Paradise Pen service station in Westmoreland. Construction is expected to be completed by the end of 2022. Regency says the remaining proceeds from the IPO will be allocated towards expanding its liquefied petroleum gas LPG operations with the purchase of additional cylinders. GK Capital Management is the lead broker for the IPO. CEO of Fosrich, Cecil Foster, says the new supercenter being built on Mollines Road will hire more than 1,000 people. At the groundbreaking on Wednesday, Mr. Foster said the $1.8 billion facility being funded by GK Pensions will offer several employment opportunities.
We are going to employ 3 times the number of persons that we presently have in Kingston when this place is open. We have also a space for business process business, and that is going to be employing a minimum of 1,000 people. So right here, Mr. Mahfood, Mr. Minister, we are looking at almost 1,500 employments before the end of 18 months.
Meanwhile, Chairman of GK's pension fund, Douglas Orain, says this represents an example to other pension funds and their investment strategies.
What the Grace Kennedy Pension Fund has done is, with the approval of the Financial Services Commission, to state an investment policy where a percentage of our assets are invested in real estate, and that will help Jamaica to grow, because it means investing in what we call real assets, physical assets. This is an example of it. It's not the first, because we built the warehouse at the back, but I've also seen this as a template for other pension funds to become more actively involved in the growth of Jamaica through investing in real assets.
The US dollar is being sold for an average $154.67. $117.15 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $183.81 for the pound, while it's costing an average $163.18 for the euro. To the stock market now, the JSE index lost 4,911 points today, while the junior market index fell by 39 points. Among the winners, ISP Finance Services, KLE Group, JMMB Group, Portland JSX, and Iron Rock Insurance. Losers include Kingston Wharves, Cargo Handlers, Edufocal, CAC 2000 9.5% CR preference shares, and G West Corporation. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.